that's the style behind it. Like it goes down like that, and then it's supposed to be like peekaboo with the on the top.
I feel like this would look good with a bathing suit. Like if you
yeah.
a bathing suit. It feels like it has pockets, but it doesn't. I don't know why.
You think it was like turn around, like turn around, and show them the back.
It does. I guess because it's double lined.
So the back is very low cut. So that's the more of the sex appeal behind it. The front is supposed to be very more modest looking, and the back is very open, wide back. So just keep that in mind, guys. So you're looking at the front, very cutesy, and you actually it's kind of see through where you can see the slit underneath. You see that?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like it feels like because it's double lined.
Yeah.
Like it's supposed to have pockets right here.
But very cute. This is something you had to see on and how it fits your body. A little more flowy, a little bit thicker, and then you got the peekaboo back and on the back side, so that gives you a little bit something easy to throw on.
Perfect over a bathing suit. Very lightweight.
Very like beachy, very like restaurant on the beach. Like I could see someone wearing that to Salt Shack. I could see someone wearing that to like somewhere where it's very like summer beach-esque.
Are the straps adjustable?
They're on the largest, I think.
They're no, that would be tighter. I think.
Tighter.